Robbie. What? Okay. Here's the metric speed tool case. This is the first one that I've opened. So let's see what's inside. The Torx ratchet, Phillips flathead, knife, Allen's, the mirror, magnet, pick, all that. Tire pressure gauge. You've got the punches, the round punch, square punch, point punch, and then this is just for accessories, like all the add-ons you want to do to your metric speed tool case. So it's pretty cool. You get the option to add some stuff to it. That just folds up real nice like that. You've got dikes, flush cuts, pliers, channel locks, wire strippers. Set this one over here. Here you've got the metric wrenches, and you've got one side that's ratchet wrenches. They're just all the wrenches, all the tools, sockets, ratchets, all that is black chrome. So people might be asking, well, sometimes you're gonna need two of something, or you're gonna need this and that. Well, look it, you have the 10 here, and you have this 10. So you really have a ratchet 10 and a normal 10, so that's pretty cool. You get two 10s, two 11s, two 12s, two 13s, you get two of everything. So that's a pretty cool option or idea that they had there. Here you've got the mats for your knees while you're working on a car. Put them on the floor while you're working on something, you don't bust up your knees and all that. So that's pretty cool. Set that down there. All right, here you've got deep sockets. You've got the half ratchet, the quarter ratchet. Here you've got the quarter adapter and a half to 3/8 adapter. Then on this, you might be thinking, what's all this? You've got 3/8 to half, half wobbly, half to quarter, and a quarter wobbly. And then you've got the half extension, quarter extension, half short extension, quarter short extension, quarter sockets, half sockets, and then some short half sockets. And then you've got the Allen sockets and the Torx sockets. And then you get an option of another floor mat. Let's get it on the ground so it don't fall over on us. Okay, then you've got this tray down here. You've got the pry bar. You've got the hammer with the rubber mallet side and the brass side. You've got a 30mm half socket right here for taking off the axle nut and removing hubs and all that off of your vehicle. You've got the 27mm half socket right here. Spark plug socket, 19mm for taking off lug nuts, doing all that. You could probably also use a 3/4. If you don't have this metric kit, you could use a 3/4. You've got the test light brass punch. You've got this tool right here for breaking lug nuts or doing whatever you need to break loose. Then you've got the lady foot crowbar. And then you might be thinking we're missing the clutch tool, but we're really not missing the clutch tool. This slot is made for putting your own clutch tool in and having the option to put the Honda, Kawasaki, Can-Am, Polaris, Speed UTV clutch tool in this slot. So we will have the option online for an accessory to get the Speed UTV clutch tool, and if you have the Polaris, Can-Am, etc., all the other clutch tools, you can put that clutch tool in this slot. And there you go. That's pretty much the basic idea of the metric speed tools race kit. Then you package it back up, you get your mat, get your metric sockets, get the other mat, get that mat, grab the metric wrenches, then you grab this. Boom, you're done there. Shuts down. Get online for $9.99.